People eat tomatoes without realizing what they can do for their health. I never realized tomatoes could do that. Tomatoes are the best natural medicine in the world. It is wonderful. It's stimulating. However, there are many things you urgently need to know about tomatoes. Hypothyroidism can be treated very well with tomatoes. Diabetes, hypertension, and cholesterol can be treated. Everything can be treated with tomatoes. You can even treat gastritis with tomatoes. And at the end, I'll show you the best juice in the world to fight hypertension. So tomatoes are wonderful and easy to get. They are refreshing, versatile, and provide multiple benefits as they are rich in calcium, phosphorus, chlorine, sulfur, magnesium, potassium, minerals, and vitamins such as A, C, and B complex. These nutrients and chemical properties make them the ideal food for good health. These nutrients and chemical properties make them ideal for weight loss, combating premature aging, and improving vascular health. In addition to the pulp, you can also consume the skin and seeds, which are rich in fiber and beta-carotene, which contribute to eye, skin, and hair health. Tomatoes can be eaten raw, added to juices and smoothies, or cooked, which allows them to be preserved for longer. However, not everyone can digest tomatoes effectively. Take note now of this recipe. To get rid of hypertension once and for all, tomatoes are the best food on the planet for getting rid of hypertension. Did you know that almost 67% of the world's population suffers from hypertension? And believe it or not, half of them don't even know they have it. Want to know more? Do you know someone who has suffered a stroke? Ask them about their health condition. They will tell you they had high blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, you are at high risk of having a stroke. Tomatoes contain the most divine substance in the world, potassium. If you suffer from hypertension, check the label on your medication. It will say that the formula contains potassium. Now, pay attention and take note of everything I'm about to tell you. Take a tomato. Cut it in half. Cut it in half again and put it in a blender. Blend half of it with a little water and strain it. It is wonderful, and you will love the results it will give you, both short and long term. But doctor, how to use this wonderful natural tomato juice? Drink 1 cup a day for 12 days. You will regulate your blood pressure. Let me know if it worked or not. Tomato is the best medicine in the world. It is wonderful. It's stimulating. So you can treat hypothyroidism very well with tomatoes. You can treat diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol. In general, you can treat everything with tomatoes. You can even treat gastritis with tomatoes. So tomatoes are wonderful and easy to get. They are refreshing, versatile, and bring multiple benefits, as they are rich in calcium, phosphorus, chlorine, sulfur, magnesium, potassium, mineral salts, and complex vitamins A, C, and B. These nutrients are essential for your body and your health. And as I always say, who's with me all the way? Spend little and stay healthy. That's what I wish for my fellow citizens. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. I stop here. A big kiss. Stay with God.